This is the Dylonic exfoliating brush, and look how awesome it is. It has silicone bristles, and it's really massaging on your whole body, from your face down to your feet, as well as everywhere in between. This is great for alleviating razor bumps or for ingrown hairs too. You can use this either dry or wet. And if you're gonna use it wet, I prefer using it with a body wash. It feels so relaxing and exfoliating too. It cleans your pores and really reduces the ingrown hairs. Feels fabulous to use. You could use this dry, and you can just rub it in a circular motion or straight back and forth a few times. And it fits into the palm of your hand. There's also a hole here, so you can put a string if you like, so you can hang it in your shower too. Perfect! They also have this little silicone brush, and this is perfect to wash your face with. Just use it with your favorite cleanser, and it really cleans your face of extra residue makeup and also opens up your pores too. And another bonus that they've given you is these Dylonic needle nose tweezers. And look how nice these are. And be careful, they are super sharp. So this is perfect for ingrown hairs as well as hairs in your eyebrows, or if you get stung by a bee, or if you get a splinter too. So let me show you a close-up of all these products. Here's a close-up of the exfoliating brush. And you see how nice that is? It has flexible bristles, very nice on your body. And this is what the soft silicone bristles look like for your face. And it feels very nicely massaged, and you can use this time and time again. It is reusable and very easy to clean. And you also get this gift bag along with these tweezers. And look how nice this is. Let me take off the protective cover. And wow, these are super sharp. Very nice. I was sent this from Dylonic, and I absolutely love it, and I think you are gonna too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.